Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some French toast. Yes, so these are all of my ingredients that I'm gonna use. First I'm gonna start off with my sugar. Here I have 2 tablespoons of my brown sugar right here. You can also use granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of my vanilla, 2 eggs. I'm gonna top it up with some blueberries and strawberries because I love to see both colors together. Yes, my milk, and I'm using 2.5 cups of milk. You can use any milk, guys. And this is my bread right here that I cut, and this bread is so soft, guys, so you know it gonna taste really good. But you can use whichever bread you have. Okay, don't forget guys to give me a thumbs up. Please go and share this video right now to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I'm telling you, I love French toast, and I know you all are gonna enjoy this recipe. It's gonna be so yummy. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, I just add my egg, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna whisk it. Okay, then I'm gonna also add my milk. I don't think I'm gonna use everything, guys. I'm gonna leave back just a bit. I use most of it. So guys, I'm ending up adding 3 eggs in total. Got those 2 ones was really small, so that's why I add in another one. Okay, add my cinnamon powder, my vanilla, and I'm just gonna add just a pinch of my nutmeg, guys, sugar, make sure that everything is all combined. So now that it is all whisked, guys, I'm gonna add my bread. You want to make sure that your pot is heated up. Okay, I'm gonna add it to my wet mixture, flip it over. Yeah, just like so. Just take your time and take it out. Drain off any excess. Now guys, I'm gonna add some butter, and you want to make sure that your stove is on a low heat. You don't want to turn it up too high. Okay, just gonna add just a bit of butter and just allow it to melt. Okay, so now that my butter is melt, I'm gonna take my time and add my French toast, and you're just gonna allow it to brown up, guys, for at least 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, so now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my time and flip it over. Yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly what you want. Nice and golden and crispy as well. Hear that? Perfect. So now guys, I'm gonna remove it. Okay, look at that. It looks so yummy. Perfect. I'm just gonna put it to my plate. Guys, I'm just gonna add some more butter, and basically what you want to do, you want to just, you know, repeat the same process. Okay, just allow your butter to melt. So I just dip it in the mixture. So guys, here I have all my French toast. I'm telling you, they came out so good. I'm just loving the color. Nice and golden and brown. And it's a bit crispy also. Perfect. As you can see, I have my strawberries, my blueberry, some whipped cream, some syrup. You can add whatever, guys, okay? So firstly, I'm just gonna add some strawberries, you know, just to nice it up. You can add anything you want. You don't have to add strawberry or blueberry. You can also add blackberry, apple, anything. Just gonna add some bit my melted butter on top. This looks so pretty. I could eat this at a restaurant anytime. It looks real good. So yummy. As I said, guys, you can also add whipped cream. Here I have my syrup and I'm just gonna add it. Look at that. This is super delicious. So yummy. I'm telling you, this recipe is a must try. You guys are gonna enjoy it so much. Guys, I could look at this the whole day. May I tell you, it looks super delicious and so flavorful. As I said, I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe. It is so yummy. I'm gonna add some powdered sugar, which is totally optional, okay? But it just gonna make it look so nice. So now I'm gonna add my powdered sugar. Look at that, guys. So yummy. Absolutely delicious. So good. Then, guys, I'm gonna add a bit of whipped cream. Yeah, that's it. Guys, this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna taste it, okay? This bread is so soft. I'm gonna dip it in the syrup at the bottom. Some whipped cream. This is so good, guys. The flavor is everything. It is absolutely delicious. Guys, you got to try it for yourself, okay? I give this recipe 10 out of 10. Super delicious. I hope you all do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. Until next time, bye. And if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. Thank you all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.